वाली तमाम तर चीज़ें आप लोग देखते भी रहे हैं, तो जो गिटारिस्ट थे वो इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं, बाकियों के साथ मैं नहीं कर सकती। मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा जो है वो इटालियन लैंग्वेज नहीं सीखी, तो मैं इनसे इंग्लिश में बात करती हूँ। हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Gianpaolo from Compagnia Sole Luna. It's great to be in Pakistan to play. Lovely.
Oh, the same. That was my question from you. You know, how's your experience of? Yeah, no, not at all. Would like to know your experience of performing in Pakistan.
Yes, it's the first time for us. We travel around the world pretty much from Manchester to Japan, and this time we had the chance to play here in wonderful Islamabad for this charity concert, a fundraising for autistic children, and it's been a great show, great audience, everything is wonderful, and we love Pakistan so much.
And did you visit any place in Pakistan? I mean, it's in Islamabad specifically.
Yes, in Islamabad yesterday in the afternoon we had the chance to see the monument and the big mosque. I don't remember the name.
Faisal Mosque.
Faisal Mosque, yes it was. And the village, the Setpur village. And we had this amazing experience in historical Pakistan.
And did you try Pakistani food?
Pakistani food, yes. Every morning, since we're here since 3 days. So every meal we had this Pakistani food.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I love it so much.
Specifically, any name of the dish you like the most?
I like the stuff where there is chicken and curry, and I don't remember the names because they tricked us in the hotel. They put just English names on it.
Oh, that was for you people.
Yeah, for us ignorant in the Pakistani language.
And how did you find the people of Pakistan?
Oh, so warm and gentle. It started in the Pakistan embassy in Rome, where we met this wonderful guy called Usman. And the very moment I said we're from Napoli, he smiled at me and he said, "Oh, I went to Napoli. It's like Pakistan." So the first time I met a person from Pakistan, he said that his home is like my home.
Any
Nothing better than
message
this.
you would like to give to those people or those foreigners who want to visit Pakistan?
Do it as soon as you can, because from mountains to wonderful places to visit, and people is warm. I love people, so that's the best thing you can find in Pakistan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bilkul ji.
I said that right?
Say it again.
Thank you, K2. Rock on.